Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, children.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Only videos will be on. Today again the last period. I feel you are tired now.
Ma'am, it is period. One more period is there.
Comfortable with me?
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Morning, afternoon, everything.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Good afternoon, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Only 64 have joined so far now. I need 96. Will we start? Now 68 only joined. 69, 70. 71. Okay, let me call out roles now. Section A, I'll start with 72 right now. I want 96. 75. Who is that having the practice of leaving after starting the class? Am I audible to you?
Yes,
Yes,
Ma'am.
Who is that having
ma'am.
practice to leave the class in between? Because at the starting of the class, if I'm having 92, 93, 96, whereas I want. At the end of the class, I could see 82, 83, 70, 75. Why is this happening? Are you not happy with this online class, children? Am I audible?
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
Why no
ma'am.
answers? Why no answers?
Yes, ma'am. It's
Who is having practice of
interesting.
living in between? Okay, section A, Ahana Mahanti.
present, ma'am.
You are absent yesterday. Why? Not in.
Ma'am, I wasn't absent. Ma'am, my network connection wasn't working at that time. I was attending the
Okay,
class,
okay,
but
fine.
ma'am, when I was
Fine, fine. Now, Aditi Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Adya Samanti, Ahana Patnaik,
Present, ma'am.
Bhavna,
Present, ma'am.
Khirabdi,
Present, ma'am.
Namrata,
Present, ma'am.
Nirali,
present, ma'am.
Purvasha.
Present, ma'am.
Purvasha, you are absent yesterday?
No, ma'am. I was present.
You are absent. Okay. Ritika Nayak,
Present, ma'am.
Shamita Mishra,
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Rekha Mahapatra,
Present, ma'am.
Samiksha Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Shipra Shagatika,
Present, ma'am.
Smruti Panna,
Present, ma'am.
Sritika,
Present, ma'am.
Shuchi Lagna,
Present, ma'am.
Sharupa, Akanksha Aji,
Present, ma'am.
Akanksha,
Present, ma'am.
Akanksha, were you present yesterday? No connectivity yesterday. What's problem with you? Network problem. Adarsh Anshuman,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Narayan,
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Naik,
Present, ma'am.
Amrit Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Anubhav,
Present, ma'am.
Abhijit,
Present, ma'am.
Abhiram. Abhiram, are you there?
Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Das,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Ayushman Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Diptanshu Parida,
Present, ma'am.
Dibyanshu Ranjan Sahu,
Present, ma'am.
Hilik Patnaik,
Present, ma'am.
JRP Das.
Present, ma'am.
Arpit, you are absent for 2 days.
Ma'am, yesterday I was actually unable to connect.
And day before yesterday also, and all the 4 days you were marked absent. This is the first day you are present.
No, ma'am. Before 2 days I was present.
That means on 1st and 4th you were present, 5th and 6th you were absent, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, okay. Manas Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Nikhil Naik.
Present, ma'am. Present,
Fast,
ma'am.
little
Present,
fast,
ma'am.
Kalan. Nishit,
Present, ma'am.
Om Prakash,
Present, ma'am.
Partha Sarathi, Piyush Priyanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Prabhu Datta. Prabhu Datta, are you there? Okay.
Present.
Pratik. Pratik, are you there? Pratyush Rao. Priya Marup. Pulin Mahapatra.
Present, ma'am.
Shai Kamal. Samir
Present,
Sethi.
ma'am.
Shai Kamal present. Samir present.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Raban.
Present, ma'am.
Shubham. Siddharth Das.
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Siddharth Shankar Singh.
Present, ma'am.
Shoham Mahanti.
Present, ma'am.
Shoptik Mathan.
Present, ma'am.
Shomya Roshan.
Present, ma'am.
Shubham Kuntia.
Present, ma'am.
Surya Prakash.
Present, ma'am.
Tapan Pati.
Present, ma'am.
Aditya Dhanraj.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now section B. Vijay Darshini.
Present, ma'am.
Gargi. Ipshita Das.
Present, ma'am.
Rishika Jaina.
Present, ma'am.
Madhusmita Sahu. Malishka.
Present, ma'am.
Mugdasri.
Present,
Pragya Patnaik. Sorry, Pragya Paramita.
Present, ma'am.
Preeti Prembada. Are you
Present, ma'am.
twins or what?
Yes, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik.
Present, ma'am.
Priyanka Naik B. No. None of the days is present. Okay. Priyansi Panda.
Present, ma'am.
Priyansi Pradhan.
Present, ma'am.
Sankalpa Mahanti.
Present, ma'am.
Shruti Smita. Shraddha Bishi.
Present, ma'am.
Shriya Mishra.
Present,
Amar
ma'am.
Chavan. Amar. Amar, are you there?
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Aniket, not there in the section. Vyamakesh,
Yes, ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Chinmay Mahapatra,
Present, ma'am.
Dhananjay Naik, regular absentee. Jyotiraditya,
Present, ma'am.
Lipun,
Present, ma'am.
Mohak,
Present, ma'am.
Laban,
Present, ma'am.
Priyanshu,
Present, ma'am.
Ryan,
Present, ma'am. Present, ma'am.
Sai Vignesh,
Present, ma'am.
Satvik Sri, Satvik,
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Mahanta,
Present, ma'am.
Satyajit Palta Singh,
Present, ma'am.
Satyarth Kumar,
Present, ma'am.
Somnath Sahu, Spandan Das, Shubhranshu Pale.
ma'am.
Present, ma'am.
Oh, Spandan Das present. Okay. Shubhranshu,
Present, ma'am.
Shubhranshu Murmu,
Present, ma'am.
Shumit Ranjan Panda,
Present, ma'am.
Swastik Mohanty, Swayambhuva Padi,
Present, ma'am.
Tushar Lakra.
Present, ma'am.
Okay. Now we will start with our studies. Yesterday I had given you question number 8 to 12. First you tell me what about yesterday's work, what I have given you. Could you answer all or some doubt for some questions? Are you all ready with your notebook and book?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay.
Ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Shalin, I was not face-to-face interacting with you, so those chapters which already we have completed, in between we'll be revising whenever time permits us. Do you agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Like your lines and angles,
Yes,
triangles, quadrilaterals, we are halfway quadrilaterals. This month only half of the chapter to be done. So after completing 8.1, I want to keep interacting with you with some extra questions. Okay. Before that, you just tell me question number 8 to 12 if you have any doubt. Then we will move to extra questions.
Ma'am, question number 11.
Question number 11. In triangle
question
ABC
number-
and DEF, AB equals to DE, AB parallel to DE, BC equal to EF and BC parallel to EF. Vertices ABC are joined to vertices DEF respectively. I hope you are, will I do it on the board or I'll explain you, you'll understand.
ma'am.
Yesterday also I was talking to you on this question. I knew this would be doubt for few people. That is why I was talking to you about it. Will I write it or I'll explain you? Tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What will I do?
On the board.
Ma'am, please
Ma'am,
do it.
board. Ma'am, board.
Okay, okay, fine.
Ma'am, I'm all having this doubt.
Okay, who's ever having doubt, be free to ask me and then I'll explain it to you. Just see, is the board visible to you now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
Is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Let me draw the figure first. Now I have to draw parallel to AB as your DE. And then parallel to AC, I have to draw. Parallel to AC, I will draw DF. And then parallel to BC, I will draw FE. This is your E, and this is already I have written F. Now, what all I have to prove? There are 6 bits to be proven. Quadrilateral ABED, ABED, this big one, this face, which is forget about the other part, only forget this face of the prism. Okay, only think about this part of the prism. Is it seen to you, Chaman?
Yes,
Am I clearly audible to you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, quadrilateral ABED is a parallelogram BEFC. BEFC. You see, BEFC is the resting part, bottom part. On that, the prism is standing. Can you feel it? Think about it. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, I'll start with bit 1. Will I note down all what is given and all the steps, or only I'll explain you?
Yes, ma'am.
What is, ma'am?
Ma'am, only explain.
Only I will explain. It will be enough to you.
Yes, ma'am.
The steps, what are given to you, what to prove, no need to write because the steps are clear to you. Now start the proof with bit 1. What is bit 1? Quadrilateral ABED. Quadrilateral ABED is the parallelogram. This is our first bit to be proven. Now, what are given? I will refer the book again and again. What is given just to refer? Now, AB equal to DE. AB is equal to DE, and AB is also parallel to DE. Yes? This is given to you. Now, if ABED, you have got AB parallel to DE. This is parallel to this and they are equal also. Now, if they are parallel and you behave these 2 lines to be the transversals, what do you get? Yes, children, any answer from you?
Ma'am, please repeat.
AB is parallel to ED. This is AB, this is ED. Okay, you feel this is resting on the floor and this is your prism and that is the back side. ACFD is the back side, ABED is the front side. Can you feel that?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, then what is given here? Given is your AB equal to DE and also AB is parallel to DE. Because pair of opposite sides of the quadrilateral are parallel to each other. Suppose you just think about your isosceles trapezium. Here, this is equal to this, but they are not parallel. Understood me?
Yes, ma'am.
If
Yes, ma'am.
this is parallel,
Yes, ma'am.
if this is equal, if this is parallel and equal, then it is a parallelogram. It's a proof already, we have done it. Do you remember the first theorem?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I have to apply here. Bit 1, if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, it's a parallelogram. Over. Bit 1 is over. Only that much. Any doubt?
No, ma'am.
No, ma'am.
We'll go to the second bit. 6 bits are there.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now second bit is BF BEFC, BEFC, the bottom part on which the prism is resting. In BEFC, what all are given to you? BC equal to EF. This is equal to this and they are parallel also. This is parallel to this. As this is parallel to this given to you, one pair of opposite sides are parallel and equal, so it is a parallelogram. The bottom part, if they are equal and parallel to each other, this is bit 1, then bit 2. BC is equal to EF and BC also parallel to EF. Same condition, just like the first bit. If one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, then it's a parallelogram. Same condition, only with the proper names, with the proper figure, you have to mention it. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
We go to the third bit now.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The third bit, we have to
Yes,
prove
ma'am.
that AD parallel to CF and AD equal to CF. Third bit, AD parallel to CF and AD equals to CF. After we have proved this bottom part of the prism is a parallelogram and the front part is a parallelogram, what do we get? This is equal to this, this is equal to this. Now if I see to the back side, this is equal to this is equal to this, and they are parallel to each other. From first and second proof, bit 1 and 2, from bit 1 and bit 2, what did we prove? The base is the parallelogram and one standing slant quadrilateral is also a parallelogram. So what will be the back side? This triangle, if you see this triangle, or if you see the quadrilateral ACFD, consider ACFD. In this, what did you get? Who will answer me now? It seems you are not following me. Are you able to follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
No answer from you.
Yes, ma'am.
Follow me. If you are
Ma'am, once
following me,
again.
then answer me.
Can you repeat once again?
I have already proved.
Ma'am, please repeat once more.
This is what I'm telling you. A, B, E, D is a parallelogram. Why? What is the reason?
Yes.
One pair of opposite sides equal
One
and
pair
parallel
of
already given to you. In any quadrilateral, if one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, that's a parallelogram. Same thing we also applied to the second bit. If these two are parallelograms, then the third one, what do we get from this bit 1 and 2? We are able to conclude that if BE parallel to CF and BE parallel to AD and equal, this is equal to this is equal to this. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
And
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
from 1 and 2, they are also parallel to each other. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So conclude now from 1 and 2. ADFC is a parallelogram. If parallelogram, then this is proved. Opposite sides are equal and parallel. Got it?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Go to the fourth bit. AD and CF are opposite sides of quadrilateral ACFD. What is the fourth bit? With third, we have already proved third and fourth both. If one pair of opposite sides are equal and parallel, that's a parallelogram. Third and fourth together, I have explained it to you. Am I clear or not? Again, I'll do it. It's clear,
Yes,
children?
Yes.
Then I'll move to
Yes,
step one.
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
From this 4, AC
Yes, ma'am.
equal to DF. If this is a parallelogram, this is a parallelogram, then what do we get? This side is equal to this side, AC equal to DF. That is your bit 5. First, you have to prove to be equal. One pair of opposite sides to be equal and parallel. Then only you will be able to prove it. Then the last bit is triangle ABC. This is SSS coming. Now, if you take this parallelogram, this is equal to this. If you take the bottom parallelogram, this is equal to this. If you take the other side parallelogram, then this is equal to this. SSS congruency condition satisfied, hence it is congruent. Is that clear or more explanation you need?
No, ma'am, it is clear.
Clear? Will be
Clear.
any more doubt? Number 12, is it clear to you?
Yes.
Ma'am, number 12,
Yes,
bit
ma'am.
1.
Number 12, will I do for you or it is clear? Tell me so that I can give you some extra questions. ABCD is a trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equal to BC. You all are referring to the book, I hope. Show that angle A equal to angle B, angle C equal to angle D. How will you prove angle A equal to angle B?
Interior.
Ma'am, once again, please.
Question number 12. ABCD is the trapezium in which AB parallel to CD and AD equals to BC. This much given to you. And we have to prove angle A equal to angle B, angle C equal to angle D. Now, hint is given, extend AB and draw a line through C parallel to DA. That means you are going to construct a parallelogram ADCE. Are you referring to the book?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Could you follow
Yes,
me?
ma'am.
Could you follow me?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, first bit is angle A equal to angle B. What do we have? CE. If you cannot follow, write it down what I'm saying. You can follow it. Or I'll do it on the board again.
Ma'am,
Am I
Ma'am,
clear
please
to
do
you?
it on board.
Yes, it's not audible to me.
I'm bored. Ma'am, please do it on the.
Ma'am, please do it in the.
Okay. No harm. No harm. I'll rub it. It's clear to you?
Ma'am.
Will I rub
Yes,
it
ma'am.
down?
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, the board is not. Yes, ma'am.
Now A, B, C, D is an isosceles trapezium. Exactly same name you have to give as given in the question. Names also A, B, C, D, and the hint is given to us to extend this to E so that AD will be equal to CE. This is our, I'm just giving you a line, that means we have extended and this is our construction part. Bit 1 I will start with. What is given, it's known to you or I know? What we have, CE equal to AD. CE equals to AD. Why? By construction, we constructed
Yes,
it.
ma'am.
Is that clear? We
Yes,
have
ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
constructed it. Then AD is equal to BC. Why? This is by construction and this is given to us. The reason to be written each time. I hope you all are clear.
Yes, ma'am.
Then if CE equal to AD, CE equal to AD, and AD equal to BC, AD equal to BC, that's given to you. From this, what we get implies that AD is equal to CE.
Equals to BC.
Equals to BC. Agree?
Yes, ma'am.
So we can conclude
Yes,
this.
ma'am.
Now, what else we get? Angle A plus angle CBE is equal to 180 degree. Why? Angle A and CBE. Why? What reason you have to give for this? Who will tell me what's the reason? Now, no answer from you. Look now, CBE in this triangle, what do you get? This side is equal to this side. Agree?
Yes.
By construction, we
Yes,
see.
ma'am.
So this became isosceles triangle or not?
Yes.
If isosceles triangle, then opposite to equal sides in a triangle angles are equal.
Yes, ma'am.
Understood? These two are equal because this is isosceles triangle. Angles opposite to equal sides are equal or not?
Yes, ma'am.
So can we write BE? I just missed out one step so that it's difficult for you to understand. CBE is equal to, I thought you will understand, CEB. CEB. What's the result? Opposite angles of equal sides of a triangle. Understood now? I didn't write, I was just telling you this. Now is it clear to you?
Yes, ma'am.
Now, interior angles on the same side of the transversal are supplementary. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Write down,
Yes, ma'am.
write down.
Yes, ma'am.
Because board is not becoming clear, I am dictating right down. Interior angles on the same side of transversal supplementary. That is why I have written this step. Now this step is after what I am dictating right now. Written interior angles on the same side of transversal supplementary. And we also proved that CBE equals to CAB. If CBE is equal to CAB, what we got? Angle B plus angle CBE equal to 180 degree. Angle B and CB, this angle and this angle is 180 degree. Linear pair. Are they linear pair or not?
Yes, ma'am.
They are linear pair. This and this are linear pair. And this side, this are equal. So what we got? Angle from this to angle A is equal to angle B. Understood or again I have to explain?
No, ma'am.
angle D equal to angle B plus angle C. That's equal to 180 degree. Interior angles on the same side of the transversal. So, will I move to give you some extra questions on the previous chapters on which I could not interact with you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
I
ma'am.
left out one bit. Can you do after this? Because I am in a hurry to give you some extra questions. If not possible, tomorrow I can give you extra questions. Because the other two sections,
Okay.
the first period, I have already given 15 questions.
Ma'am, tomorrow.
Okay, let's do one thing. I will post it in the WhatsApp 15 questions what I had given to the other two sections in the first period. You just copy down in your copy and answer it. If you find any difficulty, do ask me in our live class. Okay?
Yes,
Okay, ma'am.
You find any difficulty because I could not interact. I just took two tests on each chapter, but still I want to give you some extra questions.
Okay, ma'am.
Understood? Today
Yes,
I will
ma'am.
be sending it to you through WhatsApp. You just note down those 15 questions and I will mix up lines and angles, triangles, quadrilaterals. I will mix up questions on these three chapters which are very, very important. If you have any doubt for any chapter, you can ask me. Otherwise, whatever question I'm giving, you should be able to answer me. Is that clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
So today, what I got, 88 present. What I was talking to you at the beginning, now 79. I feel like calling out the names now. That means 9 children have left. Ahana Manti had written, due to network connections is disconnected, only one information, and Om Prakash had written, my voice is not clear. That may be from your side, Vida. Your network may be a problem. My network is quite good. I think it's clear to you.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Will we wind up today? Time getting up?
Ma'am?
Yes.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please explain again how
Ma'am.
angle A and angle E are equal?
Again, I couldn't hear you.
Ma'am, can you please explain again how angle E and angle A are equal?
Oh, Ahana. Hello. Ahana,
Yes, ma'am.
time won't permit me. I will write it and send it to through WhatsApp. You go through. If you feel difficulty in WhatsApp, again you can ask me. Will that be okay?
Yes, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Because it will be automatically closed now.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, I will answer. Full answer I will write and I will convert to PDF format and send it through WhatsApp. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
You need
Thank
the
you,
full
ma'am.
question number 12.
Ma'am, please send it in our WhatsApp group so that we can take it as a
That's what I'm
reference.
telling you, the full question answer of number 12 or any particular bit.
Ma'am, the full.
Full, okay, fine. Fine, I'll send it to you. I'll send it to you, don't worry. So we'll wind up now.
Thank you, ma'am.
Ma'am, can you please send that in the group so that we can take it as a reference?
You didn't understand what I'm telling you, the same thing you are repeating again. Questions as well as this answer, totally I will do and send it to you, okay?
Okay, ma'am.
Still you have any doubt, but those 15 questions by tomorrow's class you should able to finish, and if any doubt you'll ask, otherwise some extra questions I'll give you. Is that okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Bye,
Okay,
Karan.
ma'am. Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Yes,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am. Thank you,
Bye,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Welcome.
Yes, ma'am.
Thank you,
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.